Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Firecore once again sent me another laser and it's in this box, and let me show you what it is. So what I have here is a 3-plane 360-degree laser. It comes in this really nice case with lots of foam around it to keep it protected. And the nice thing is it has a rechargeable battery inside of it, so they give you a adapter for that to charge it. They give you a little mirror here to help you see the laser, a mounting bracket so that you with magnets and holes so you can either screw it to a wall, hang it on a nail, or you can stick it to something magnetic. That's pretty cool. And then the laser itself. So here's the model number for this laser. It's the F99T-XG. Now that G stands for green laser beam. They do sell an XR, R for red, but if you're going to buy one of these, I recommend that you go for the green laser because the green is a lot easier to see, especially outside. I made a video probably a couple months back showing the difference between a red and a green laser beam, so go watch that if you want to know what the difference is. So this laser, it has a very robust feel to it. It has these aluminum protective covers over the beams. I'm assuming they're aluminum because they're not a plastic and they're not magnetic, so I'm just assuming it's aluminum. So that helps protect the lasers themselves. And then it has this black rubberized coating on it, helps to protect it from any bumps and scrapes that it might get along the way. The reason this is called a 3-plane laser is obviously because it has 1, 2, 3 lasers. This one here, it shoots a 360-degree horizontal line all the way around your room. And then these ones, they do 90-degree angles all the way around through your floor, up your walls, your ceiling, and down. Now let's get this mounted to a tripod and I'll just show you how it works. Please don't mind the shaky camera work. I'm having to freehand this because I am using my only tripod that I own to hold this laser. Turning this laser on is pretty simple. It's just a flick of a switch. You can see there is a laser that goes all the way around my shop here. Let me turn off the lights so that we can get a better look at the laser. So right here, this button right here is the one that you press to switch between the horizontal and the vertical, or you can use all three at the same time. Now this button here is a pulse button. You press that if you're going to be using a laser detector, which is useful to use if you're outside. So let's turn the lights off again and I'll just show you what these buttons do. I'm going to turn it on with this switch. And you can see that we have a horizontal line that is completely 360 degrees all the way around my shop. Let's press that first button and you can see that it turns off the horizontal line and it gives us one vertical one that shoots it across the floor and up the wall and across the ceiling and back again. We press it another time and it gives us another laser beam, which gives us a 90-degree angle. That's pretty cool. And then if you press it one more time, it gives you all three. It also gives you 4 crosshairs. One there, one over there, one over there, and it's kind of on my clamp rack. Kind of hard to see, but there's a 4th one there and it's just shining on my clamp rack, which kind of makes it hard to see. So overall, this is a pretty cool laser, and to be honest, Firecore sent me this laser about 1.5 years too late. I could have used this when I built my shop. It would have been so handy, but I managed to do without it. But this could have saved me so much time if I had owned this 1.5 years ago. So if you'd like to get one of these lasers for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. Also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video, and like always, we'll see you in the next one.